to today's video featuring Yolissa Hair. Obviously the hair comes in a box. The very first thing, I don't know what that is, but I will figure it out. It comes with a velcro band for laying down my frontal, then a pair of lashes, an extra elastic band, a double-sided comb for laying down my edges, also comes with a wig cap and a dust bag. How lovely is that? That's all that is in the box. So let's get right into the hair proper. Okay, so the hair comes in this package right here. All right, color is already giving me what it should give me. So this is the honey blonde ombre straight hair. It has a 13x4 lace frontal, 180% density, and it's in 14 inches. Okay, so let's get into really looking at this hair. All right, and let's see what we are working with. So obviously in terms of packaging, obviously this hair needs to be straightened, which I would straighten once I have laid the frontal, but this is what it is looking like. First impressions, it looks really good, and it doesn't have like any awkward smell or anything like that. I actually like the smell of new wigs. It has like a normal new wig smell, and I actually do like the smell of new wigs. I know that that's weird, but that's what I like. And I love the fact that the roots are dark, but there is no harsh demarcation between the dark parts and then when it comes into blonde. The ombre is very smooth. There's no harsh demarcation. I have a wig that the demarcation between the dark ends and where it fades into blonde is very obvious. This, you can't even tell. Like, you cannot even tell, but you can tell that the top, the roots are, you know, dark, and it looks really good. The lace is also really transparent. You know, it already has a pattern, which I love that about this. Is a frontal. I can pat it any way I want, but I like the fact that it already came with a pattern. It also looks pre-plucked. All right, the frontal looks pre-plucked as well, so I don't think I'll be doing any extra work on the frontal because it looks pre-plucked. And yeah, this looks really good, guys. And see here, you cannot have too many blonde wigs. I feel like this shade of blonde would suit a lot of people despite your complexion. Okay, I feel like it would look good on a melanin queen, a fair woman like me, or chocolates. Like, I feel like it'll go well with every skin tone. That's what I think. So let's get right into laying this frontal. Let me just place this on my head first so you guys can see.
It's hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts.
Oh my goodness, guys, I'm already loving this hair. Like, I love where this pattern is so much, and I'm already loving this. Let me plug my straightener and my hot comb, and let's get into laying and styling this hair. Okay, so as per usual, I'm just going to use a tiny scissors to cut off the lace. This is the part that I always tend to get anxious because I don't want to go and cut the hair. But let's just try. Okay, they always say start from the ear part. I feel like when it comes to cutting your lace, if you think too much about it, you're gonna make mistake. So don't think too much about it, just do it. See, and now that I've cut off all of this excess lace, I feel like this is a hair I can actually wear glueless, because if this whole part is covered like this and hair is covered like this, you can actually wear this hair glueless. You can see that the lace is not very noticeable at all. This is something I can actually wear like this, guys. Like, look at that. Where is that lace? I can't really see. I can't really tell that the lace is even there. So it's something I can actually wear like this and run out the door if I absolutely have to. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to be laying down this lace so that everything is nice and secure and everything. Okay, I'm going to apply some leave-in conditioner so that while I lay the frontal, I can start straightening the hair. So I will just apply some leave-in conditioner, not too much, just to tame down flyaway hairs and to make it look a lot more sleek. Right, guys, I'm loving this hair. I'm even feeling like I should not even straighten it because the way it is looking, it's a vibe, but almost like it is so nice, and the texture is so soft, guys. I wish you could just bring your hands and feel this hair right now because it is soft.
Looking so beautiful. Problems
You guys, it is the way this hair straightener is just going through this hair for me. Like, it is just straightening so easily. And I think I would also experiment sometime later with coiling the hair and seeing how it takes to coils. But like, just look at that. It's so soft and it's so bouncy. Like, I absolutely love bouncy hair, and this is giving me bouncy. What? I love it. Like, the way my rat tail comb just goes through that. Look at that. Like, so pretty. Oh my goodness, guys, this hair is exciting me so much. You guys have no idea. It is so exciting. And it's so funny because I do have one or two wigs that are this shade, but not as exciting as this one. There's something very exciting about, oh Jesus Christ, look at this, guys. Ha! Wahala day this year. There's problem this year in the Alma Ngu zone. There's problem. Ah, this is so pretty, guys. Oh God, I can't wait to start rocking this hair properly. Like, I cannot wait. I don't know what it is about this hair that I absolutely love so much. I love the fact that it's not like a short bob wig, 8 inches, 10 inches. It's a 14 inch, and I just love the length so much. I can't explain what this length is giving me, but it's giving me everything, guys. It's giving me everything. And this color, I know I have experimented with colors, but there's something about this color on my skin. Like, I don't know what it is, but I love it. Like, I love this hair. I can't even stop touching. I can't stop combing. I can't stop straightening. I just can't stop doing everything because it just feels and looks amazing, guys. Like, it looks so good. And I love the fact that it is not a high maintenance hair. Like I said before, you can actually wear this and go. I'm just going extra by actually gluing down the frontal, but it is a kind of frontal that you can actually get away with if you don't lay it down. You get it takes to heat so well. The straightener is going through the hair so well. Like, look at that, guys. Gorgeous. People are going to beg me. You people are going to beg me to put down this hair because I will not want to put down this hair. I will want to keep wearing this hair over and over again. It is so pretty. All right, let's take off this and then see what it is looking like. But so far, so good. I'm loving it. Like, I'm absolutely loving it. Look at that, guys. Glued down to perfection. Look at that pattern. Like, look at that, guys. Like, look, literally, it literally just melted into my skin. Like, it's looking, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is looking like it's literally growing out of my scalp. Legit. I love that. But I would definitely be wearing it like this. It looks so natural, you guys. God, Alma, put down your comb. Put down your comb. And I feel like these earrings have given this hair a different look altogether. It has brought the entire look together. Do you understand me? If you guys are noticing like a bit of complexion demarcation here, I had my Got to Be spray drip down and I tried to touch up. So I don't know, maybe you guys can't see, but I can see it in my mirror very clearly. But guys, I love this hair so much. It's an absolute favorite. Like, this is something I believe is a classic look, and I feel like it'll look so good on a lot of people with different skin tones. It's a very muted blonde. It's not a harsh blonde or a white blonde or a blonde that people may be a bit afraid of. It's that kind of blonde that I feel everybody would look good in. I absolutely love it. Like, look at that bounce, guys. Look at that bounce. Again, this hair, this gorgeousness is from Yolissa Hair. This is the honey blonde ombre bob wig in 14 inches, 13x4 frontal lace, and 180% density. And it's actually my new favorite wig right now because who is this person? Every info you need about this hair will be in my description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Everything you need, the link to the hair, specifications, website, social media handles, everything will be in my description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this short hair install / review video because I enjoyed making it. This hair is giving. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section, as always, down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share this video. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.